This has got to be some sort of payback. Elizabeth, New Jersey. No idea why he needed wet pink flip-flops so bad. Gainesville, Florida. These boys thought they would hit a jackpot with a door being magically open. No key under the mat for him today. Santa Maria, California. This guy was walking around trying to open cars, but without any luck. These three people tried to enter random people's houses. Topeka, Kansas. These two people tried opening someone's door, but without any luck. Kansas City, Kansas. It seems to have become a habit for people to steal things off each other's porches. Rochester, Minnesota. I have no idea what he will do with dog medication. It's of no use to him anyway. Arvada, Colorado. This couple attempted to break into people's houses. Vallejo, California. These guys thought it was a good idea to dump trash right in front of someone's home. Peoria, Illinois. This man tried to break into someone else's car. Ann Arbor, Michigan. He thought he'd get lucky by looking under people's doormats. Looks like this man was desperate to see his uncle.
Please, help me. Please help me. I don't want to die. Mama, keep fighting. Please help me up. Please.
Beaumont, Texas. Grandpa is out here stealing packages. Athens, Georgia. Columbia, Missouri. This man has spent the whole week roaming the area and mumbling in front of houses. Evansville, Indiana. Just another reminder, always keep your doors locked. This guy randomly ran through people's gardens. He thought he was slick, but it was all caught on camera. Norman, Oklahoma. This woman already knew she was in the wrong.
Oh man, here we go again.
Midland, Texas. This guy was snooping around, but he found nothing interesting. This girl wanted to read the news so bad that she stole the newspaper. Do y'all hear that scream? If anyone knows what that is, comment it down below. Watch how this man walks on the street with a machete. Miramar, Florida. Watch how this couple dumps all their trash in someone else's bins. This woman couldn't resist stealing someone's package. Bellevue, Washington. She thought it was a great idea to write on this porch with a permanent marker. Too bad for him, the scooter was locked. Thornton, Colorado.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
These two people entered this backyard looking for a way into the house. They found nothing and eventually left. Carrollton, Texas. This group repeatedly broke into the apartment and took different things each time.